Is the Christian worldview just faith or also logical and rational? It is very common to hear statements such as, "There is no logic in the Bible. I'm a rational person, so I can't have faith, I only believe in science." Faith versus reason. However, are the Bible and the Christian worldview really contrary to science and reason? As surely as 2 + 2 = 4, this statement is false. Let's see why. Modern science has its origin and foundations in the Christian worldview. Yes, this is a truth that we always need to repeat, first to remember it and then so that the new generations can also adopt it. The current concept of scientific method has its foundations in beliefs about the nature of the universe in the ideas of repeatability, falsifiability, and testability. Now, the atheistic and materialistic worldview is based on chaos, randomness as its origin. The problem is that these foundations, chaos and randomness, cannot generate a predictable universe that presents repeatability and testability. For example, you throw up a set of 1,000 letters. You could never test and repeat this experiment expecting that when it falls to the ground it will form the phrase, "The universe is complex and specific." Each of the worldviews, theistic and materialist, presupposes that there is a uniformity in the world we live in. However, we can only observe and affirm that the world should function uniformly based on the fact that God created it to function accordingly with specific laws. The logical conclusion is that because these natural laws are constant and worthy of close examination, they can only reflect a consistent God and never chaos. I'm a rational person, so I can't have faith, I only believe in science. Faith versus reason. Regarding this issue of faith and reason, many scientific theories are only accepted on the basis of faith. We take as examples the supposed stages of processes never observed, only inferred as the formation of the solar system by the nebular hypothesis. The chance origin of life from inanimate matter. The origin of oil. The origin of the information encoded in the DNA of each living organism must be considered with faith, since there is no known natural mechanism that can explain its origin, among others. Naturalist scientists can only sustain it by faith. They tell us, "It must have happened, since we're here." When we hear the phrase, "Science says this and that," the truth is that science cannot say anything, but scientists can. It is known by everyone that there is no neutrality to interpret the data. A worldview will always be applied to give an explanation and meaning to the analyzed data, and this data will always be interpreted in the light of faith based on the person's worldview.
YouTube TV Jesus Christ. This and many more complete studies. Access, participate, and interact.